In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into a clickable link in Notion. This is a very handy skill because Notion makes it remarkably straightforward to link text to websites, other Notion pages, or just about any web address you might need. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the Notion page where you'd like to create your link. It's entirely up to you whether you want to start fresh with brand new text or if you prefer to work with text that's already sitting there waiting to be linked. Either way works perfectly fine, so choose what suits your workflow best. Now, go ahead and select the section of text you want to transform into a link. As soon as you do this, you'll notice something quite handy happens. A formatting bar will pop up just above the text. This is your gateway to all sorts of formatting tools, and the one we're particularly interested in now is the link button. You'll recognize the link button by its distinct chain icon, a little detail that makes it easier to spot among the options. Click on that chain link icon and a box will appear, inviting you graciously to either paste or manually type in the URL you want your text to link to. This could be any external website you wish to share, another Notion page if you're creating a network of resources, or any valid web address you deem necessary. It's a versatile tool for sure. Once you've decided on your destination and entered the URL into the box provided, it's time to make it official by pressing Enter. This action confirms your choice and applies the link to the text you've selected. And just like that, with one simple click, your text has now been magically transformed into a clickable link. Wasn't that easy? A quick and efficient way to enhance your Notion pages and encourage fluid navigation through your content or external resources. Whether you're keen on sharing critical information sources or weaving a complex web of interconnected Notion pages, this little feature will serve you well. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to turning plain text into an interactive link. I hope you found this tutorial beneficial. If so, don't hesitate to show your support by liking this video. Plus, remember to hit that subscribe button for more handy Notion tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.